Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today, this video is an answer to your prayers. My phone is frozen and it won't turn back on. How do I hard reset my Samsung Galaxy phone? Here's how you do it. You're gonna hold your volume up, your home button, and your power button at the same time until the Samsung logo comes up. There we go. This is a good sign. Give it a second. All right, so once we get here, you're going to use your volume keys to control the screen. And you've got some options here, okay? Basically, the main thing is if your phone is just not turning on and there's basically your auto options, maybe every time you power it on, it just powers back off again and you just want to like hard reset the phone, basically resetting it back to factory settings. We just want to go all the way down to wipe data factory reset, okay? So again, we're just using those volume up and down buttons to do this. And once we get here, you're gonna, I believe, press the power button here on the side and that will select it. And now it's gonna tell you, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So we're gonna swipe down again and then we're gonna hit our power button again, and that's going to initiate a full device factory reset, okay? And finally, we're just going to do our reboot system. Hit that. And now you'll see your phone power off. And we'll go ahead and just kind of let you see what happens in the process here. Alright guys, so you'll know everything is finished when you get to the welcome screen. Just to give you a heads up, this took a little over 5 minutes. So once we hit all the commands, basically the phone just sat with a logo on it for about 5 minutes. So do not touch your phone. Don't get worried if it's not powering back on or whatever. Just like once you follow the steps, let it sit and let it fully reset itself, because what it's doing is it's erasing all of your information off of the phone and then it's basically setting it up like a brand new phone. So this is it. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button as well, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.